Sairam children, how are you all? Are you all good? Okay now. Today is the period of environmental studies. Today is the period of environmental studies. Which chapter was going on children? Which chapter was going on? What was the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter was My Body Helps Me. My Body Helps Me. It was chapter number 3. It was chapter number 3. Name of the chapter is My Body Helps Me. We are going to continue the same chapter. Okay children, we are going to continue the same chapter. Now let's have a quick revision what we studied previously. What are these? These are the parts of our face. These are the parts of our face, like ears, eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips and tongue. These are the parts of our face. These are the parts of our face. There are more cheeks and chin. We have cheeks and chin also. Okay children. Now these are the parts of our body. These are the parts of our body. Now look at these parts once again. Forehead, eye, ear, mouth, chin, shoulder, elbow, hand, waist, knee, toe, hair, eyebrow, nose, teeth, neck, chest, stomach, fingers, leg and foot. These all are the parts of our body. These all are the parts of our body. Okay children. Now what we learned in the previous period, how does our hands help us? How does our hands help us? Now look it once again. The girl is drawing. The girl is drawing. She is using her hands to draw. She is using her hands to draw. Do you all love to draw? Do you all love to draw in your drawing period? Yes. So this girl is also drawing. She's also drawing. Now what is this girl doing? What is this girl doing? This girl is writing. This girl is writing. She is writing something. You all also like to write? Yes? Okay, now this girl is using her hands to write. She is using her hands to write. You use your hands to write. Now what is this girl doing? She is eating a banana. She is eating a banana. Which body part is she using to eat the banana? She is using her mouth to eat and she is using her hands to hold the banana. Okay, she is using her hands to hold the banana. So she is eating. She is eating the banana. What do you use? Which body part do you use to hold a banana? Hands. Okay children. Now these are the use of our hands. Let's check once again. I use my hands to write, draw, eat and hold. Okay. I use my hands to write, draw, eat and hold. Okay children, you also come on, tell what are the uses of your hands. You use your hands to write, draw, eat and hold something. Okay, children. Now you'll see the use of our legs. We'll see the use of our legs. What is this girl doing? She's just standing. She's just standing. Which body part is she using to stand? She's using her legs. She's using her legs to stand. The legs give support to our body. Our legs give support to our body to stand. Okay, so she is using her legs to stand. She is using her legs to. Now the next, this child is running. This child is running. What is she doing? She is running very fast. Do you all run when you play in your school? Do you all run? Yes, in the same way this girl is also running very fast. She is also running very fast. Okay, which body part do you use to run, children? You run with your legs. You run with your legs. You run with your legs. You run very fast with your legs. Now they are jumping. What these two boys are doing? They are jumping on the bed. They are jumping on the bed. Are they doing good thing? Is it a good thing to jump on the bed? No, you should not jump on the bed. You should not jump on the bed. But these two boys are jumping. It's not good to jump on the bed. They are using their legs to jump. They are using their legs to jump. See, they are using their legs to jump on the bed. Okay, children, it's not good to jump on the bed. Now, look at these four children. They are also jumping. They are also jumping. They are jumping on the log of a wood. Okay, so they are also jumping. Which body part are they using to jump? They are jumping with their legs. They are jumping with their legs. Now, what are the use of our legs? What are the use of our legs, children? I use my legs to walk, run, jump, dance and stand. I use my legs to walk, run, jump, dance and stand. What is the spelling of walk? W-A-L-K. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. What is the spelling of run? R-U-N. Run. R-U-N. Run. What is the spelling of jump? J-U-M-P. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. What is the spelling of dance? D-A-N-C-E. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. You all love to dance? You all love to dance? Yes, children? Good. What is the spelling of dance? D-A-N-C-E. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. And the last is stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. These are the uses of your legs. Your legs help you to do all these activities. Now, children, we all have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Now, first one is eyes. First one are eyes. Eyes are also your sense organ. Then is nose. Nose is your sense organ. N-O-S-E, nose. Then your ears. Then your ears. Your ears are also your sense organs. Then is your tongue. Then is your tongue. And the last one is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. skin. Now look at the first picture. What is this boy doing? He is watching. As you all are learning in the online classes, in the same way this boy is also learning from the online classes. So what is he doing? He is watching, like you all are watching me. The same way this boy is also watching his teacher. Which body part do you use to watch? You use your eyes to watch. You use your eyes to watch. Okay children, you use your eyes to watch. Your eyes came under the sense organ. Now second, what is this girl doing? She is smelling the flower. She is smelling the flower. How is the smell of the flower? Nice. Have you ever smelt a flower? Have you ever smelt a rose? How is the smell of a rose? Very fine, very nice, isn't it? You all love the fragrance of the rose? Yes. So which body part tells you that the fragrance of rose is nice? The smell of the rose is nice? Your nose tells you. Your nose tells you whether the smell is good or bad. Okay, now when your mother cooks tasty food, how is the smell? Nice, isn't it? Which body part tells you that the smell is nice? Nose. The smell is nice, the nose. So, the nose is also your sense organ. It gives you the sense. Then is ears. Then comes your ear. What is this boy doing? He is listening to the music. He is listening to the music. You all love to listen to the music? Yes. In the same way, this boy is also listening to the music. He is also hearing. Now I am talking something, you all are hearing. Whatever I am saying, you are able to hear. Which body part tells you? Which body part helps you to hear? Your ears help you. Your ears help you to hear. Okay children? Now, what is this girl doing? She's eating an ice cream. She's eating an ice cream. You all love to eat ice cream, yes? I know every one of you enjoy eating ice cream. Yes? I also enjoy eating ice creams. Now, she's eating with her mouth, but the ice cream is tasty. Which body part tells you that the ice cream is sweet and tasty? Your tongue tells you. Which body part tells you? Your tongue tells you that the ice cream is sweet. Show me your tongue. Yes, your tongue tells you that the ice cream is sweet and tasty. See, this girl is also eating a pastry. You love to eat pastries? You all love to eat pastries. In the same way, this girl is also enjoying eating the pastry. Which body part tells you that the pastry is sweet? Your tongue tells you that the pastry is sweet. Which body part? Your tongue tells you that the pastry is sweet. Now, what is this girl doing? She is touching the water. What is this girl doing? She is touching the water. How is the water? Whether the water is cold or it is hot or it is warm? Which body part tells you? Your skin. Which body part tells you? Your skin. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is skin? The outermost part of your body is your skin. Your whole body is covered with the skin. Your whole body is covered with the skin. What is the use of your skin? Your skin helps you to feel. Your skin helps you to feel whether the thing is soft, rough, sweet, sour. Okay, your skin helps you to feel. Look at this picture. What are these people doing? They are in the snow. They are in the snow. And what are they wearing? They are wearing caps, gloves, shoes, coats, jackets. They are wearing all the woolen clothes. They are wearing the woolen clothes. Why are they wearing woolen clothes? Come on, tell me. Why are they wearing woolen clothes? Because they are feeling cold. Because they are feeling very cold. And how do they know that it is very cold? Which body part is telling them? Their skin is telling them that it is very cold. I told you that the skin covers your whole body. So they are covering their whole body so that they don't feel cold. They are wearing caps, they are wearing gloves, they are wearing shoes, they are wearing coats. Now they are not feeling cold. Okay, children? Now, come on, tell me again, what are the 5 sense organs? The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and your skin. The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now let's revise once again, revision again. Now your legs helps you to stand, your legs help you to run, your legs help you to jump. What are the uses of your legs? The uses of your legs are walk, run, jump, dance and stand. You use your legs to walk, run, jump, dance and stand. Now, let's read again the 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Those are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, children? Your eyes help you to see and watch. Your eyes help you to see and watch. Your nose helps you to smell and breathe. Your nose helps you to smell. Your ears helps you to hear. Your ears help you to hear. Your tongue helps you to taste. Your tongue helps you to taste. Your skin helps you to feel. Your skin helps you to feel. I hope, children, you all have understood this chapter. You all have understood this chapter. What did you learn from this chapter? You learned that every part of your body helps you in some way or the other. Each and every part of your body helps you. Okay, children? Sai Ram. Thank you.